Students, let us move on to the grammar topic, parts of speech. What the title indicates here is, what are the important things for a speech? For example, we will say that parts of a body. What are the parts of a body? We used to say eyes, ears, nose. These are all important for a human being. Likewise, while speaking, we should need all these things. That is parts of speech. Okay. Let us move on to the definition. Words are divided according to their positions and usages in a sentences. So we will divide. Okay, we will divide the words according to their position and according to the usage in a sentence. This is called as parts of speech. How many parts of speech are there? Do you know? So, there are 8 parts of speech are there. Okay, they are, first one is noun, second one is pronoun, third one is verb, fourth one is adverb, fifth one is adjective, sixth one is preposition, seventh one is conjunction, eighth one is interjection. So there are 8 parts of speech are there. Students, let us move on to the topic. Okay, so let us see one by one. First one is noun. So what is a noun? So noun is called as a naming word. So it is one definition. Otherwise, the name of a person, place or a thing is called a noun. See the examples. Ram. It is a person's name. You can use Ram, Ravi, Sita, Raju, Kamala. Okay. Anybody's name. That is person's name. Next, Chennai. Place name. Place name. What are the examples you know? That is Chennai, Madras, Tripur, Coimbatore. Likewise, place name. Then things. What are the things you know? Table, pen, pencil, eraser, table, chair, everything. Okay. So it is nothing but name of a person, name of a place or name of a things. It is called as noun. Okay. I hope you understood this noun. Okay. It is very easy. So noun is nothing but name of a person. Okay. I have given you the example. Next, name of a place. I have given you the example. Next one, name of the thing. It is the table I have mentioned here. Okay. Next, we'll move on to the second one, pronoun. Pronoun is nothing but, okay, it is used in the place of a noun. Pronoun is a word which is used in the place of a noun. See the example. So, for example, Ravi studies in standard 10. So, he is very clever. So, in first sentence, we are talking about Ravi. So, again, no need to talk about Ravi. Instead of using Ravi, what we are using? He. So, he is very clever. So, he is the word used instead of the noun Ravi. And he is called as pronoun. Okay. So, see another time. Once again, I'll repeat. So, Ravi. Okay, in the first sentence, we are talking about Ravi. Again, we are talking about Ravi only. Okay, we are saying that Ravi is very clever. Okay, no need to mention Ravi again. No need to mention this noun again. So, instead of this noun Ravi, we are using the pronoun he. Okay, what are the pronouns? He, she, it or call as pronouns. Okay, and we will move on to verb. What is a verb? Verb is a word that denotes an action. So, action words are called as verb. Okay, see the example. He eats a mango. So, eats is a verb here. Other example, read, write, run, cut, play, etc. Okay, these are the examples of verb. Verb is nothing but action words. Doing some action. So, I am writing. I am reading. That is, I am doing an action. I am reading. Reading is one kind of action. Writing, another action. Running, jumping, dancing, playing, washing. Okay, these are all the action. Action words are called as verb. Okay, next one you see adverb. Okay, adverb is a word that modifies a verb an adjective or another adverb. So adverb, it is adding something to the verb. Here itself the answer has been given. Adding something to the verb is called adverb. See the examples. He ran fast. Fast is adverb. It is modifying the verb run. How is running? Is running fast. So this is called adverb. Next, he finished the work slowly. How he has finished the work? Slowly has completed. So slowly is adverb here. Okay, so adverb, it is adding something to the verb. So otherwise it is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Okay, this is called as adverb. Just we will see the sum up. Okay, only we have completed 4 today. First one is noun. Okay, noun is naming word. So I have given example for name of a person, place or a thing. It is nothing but naming word. Second one is what we have seen, pronoun. What is a pronoun? It is used instead of noun. I have given the example he, she, it. Okay, that is called as pronouns. Third one is verb. Verb is nothing but action words. Okay, jumping, playing, drinking, sleeping, washing. These are called verbs. Then last one is here adverb. Adverb is modifies the verb, adjective or another adverb. So example, slowly. He is running slowly. He is walking fast. Okay, slowly, fast. It is adverb adding something to the meaning of that verb. Is called adverb. Okay, so totally we are having 8 parts of speech are there. Today we have seen only 4. Okay, I hope you have understood this 4 parts.